6 months. That's how long I've been testing the square golf launch monitor. I'm going to break down the accuracy, the durability, and well, what it takes to protect it, keep it working, and not break it. Come along, let me show you exactly what I found out about it and all the ups and downs about the whole thing. See if it's worth the value. Hey, it's time to tee off. Welcome back to the Blue Collar Golf Sim. I'm Frugal Victor Spike. I'd like to take you on this little journey with me to learn about building a budget golf simulator without draining that bank account, guys. I have beat this thing senseless with thousands and thousands and thousands of shots. And I got a lot to say about how it works and, well, all the goods and the bad. So let's come along, let me show you. Okay, guys, this is my 6-month review. It's probably the longest test in the United States. I'm pretty sure, because I think I got the first. And I guess, it's like, Grandpa's just going to do something and give you advice, but I'm going to tell you what I know and what I found out about it. Okay, so that's what I do. If you decide you want one of these, I partnered with playbetter.com. Now, they offer free shipping, no tax if you don't live in Maryland. They got great customer service, and they just are there to help you out and get you something that works. And, that's where I'm going. Okay, guys, let's talk about this. 6 months, pretty nonstop. I mean, I'm an old retired guy. I've had a lot of time to hit. If you watch YouTube, you'll know I've hit a lot of golf balls. I can't complain. I just can't complain about the read. I can't complain about the connection. I can't complain about anything. The firmware, it just gets better and better and better. And you got to understand, Square Golf is a small company, and they're growing, but it's going to take them a little growing pains, I'm sure, to grow into what they want to be and what they deserve to be, what they put out. This one here is as accurate now as it was the day I got it. It just works. I don't have to mess with it. It connects. I get everything, all the connections. Just simple tick, click, click, it's on. And, I got it connected to GS Pro right now. I run the native software sometimes and use it. I usually use the driving range and the closest to the pin area on that. And then pretty much from there, I take off and go other places and play for right now. If I get some par 3 holes, though, I'll probably be back over there on their software and trying that out. As far as accuracy and data, it gives you all the stuff and tells you out to in and tells you your speeds and all that. Doesn't give you club head speed. A lot of people fuss about that. When you got my speed, you don't really want to know, okay? Yeah, but guys, it's got a lot of good data. It's really dependable. If you hit 90-yard shots, you hit 90-yard shots. I mean, this is where it works. The chipping and putting is just kind of off the hook with it. And I played a Garmin for almost 2 years, and then I've done the webcam putting, and I've done all that, and it just, man, it made my head hurt so bad. And now I got this, and I just turn it on and play. And it's just like, jam up, let's go. It connects up pretty seamlessly with Square Golf's game, with GS Pro, Awesome Golf, and E6. Just gives you a lot of playing options. Myself, I'm a GS Pro player mostly, but Awesome Golf's got great info if you want to get a driving range with numbers and charts and kind of where you can see where things are going. It's got that, and it's got some kids games too. That's a good thing about it. 27.5, we on the green. Just set the ball down and it starts reading. It's just, boom, it's working. So, yeah, 27.5, let's roll one. Boom! Chuckalugga. Isn't that what that man on that commercial said? He said, boom, chuckalugga. Okay, 100 yards, uphill just a little bit. Maybe I'll miss the green and I can show you how it works when you chip. But then maybe I won't. Maybe I won't. Go, baby. I scared it to death anyway. Yeah. As you can see, I'd love to play this thing. It's my game. When you put GS Pro with this thing, you've got a game experience. Here's the thing I like about this machine. It is so accurate. It's unbelievable for the money. It is the best value. R10 Garmin had that title for a while, like 2 years, and then the MLM come out, but it never dethroned it for the value because the Garmin still had the better value price. And it still gave pretty much, as good a result when playing golf anyway. Then this come out, and it just blows them all away because, well, the chipping is so realistic, putting so realistic, and let's roll one here. 10 foot 2. You see where the ball ended up right here, guys? I don't know if y'all can see this or not, but it went about 8 feet. That's the reason it didn't go 10 foot too. Okay, guys. Now you get to see it chip, which is, I love. I mean, it's just probably one of the best things about it. 13, let's go. Ah! Okay. Got a lot of wedge rough here. I'm going to kind of pop it up there and get it stopped because I don't want to mess with this fringe. Ah! Man, it sneaked right out the back. All right. This is what you call a play in review. Okay, as long as I hit greens and staying on the par, I can't complain about the machine. I guess I'm doing okay. My verdict is we got an absolute winner. Yeah, I mean, as far as accuracy and dependability and everything else, I mean, chipping, putting, shots, irons, spin, I mean, everything works as it should. Go for it. Have fun. Just play. Enjoy, guys. Just have fun and enjoy it. I'll have to say, if you don't have a launch monitor and you want to start, the perfect starting spot, no doubt. So, guys, that's what my experience has been with the square golf. I've just loved it. Now, right now, I've got a round going here on the TPC Pebble. First time playing the new download tonight, and I'm at -3. And so I'm going to continue playing. Well, just something else comes up, I'll let you know about it. We'll see how it comes out in the end. Let's go play. 11 foot 11. Barely breaking. I mean, just barely. Boom! Wow. -4 in the one-man scramble. -4. What the Garmin I said 2 years ago, well, one day somebody will come out with something better. Well, there it is. And yeah, that's what I'm going to say about it. I can't find anything wrong. I mean, I use mine indoors, so it doesn't need to go outside. So I don't worry about that. I got to protect the cover, take care of it. I'm just playing it and enjoying it. The more games they put on, the more they make the software better, the more GS Pro grows. I just have more fun. I mean, I'll never play all the courses. I just enjoy myself and have fun and keep up with the orders. So, hey, guys, if you would, come back and see me next time. I appreciate you. If you hadn't done it before, subscribe, would you? About 90% of the people that watch my channel haven't subscribed, and that would help a lot. And if you would, maybe a thumbs up, and if you would, comment. I'd love to hear what your experiences are with a square golf, and if you got one, and what you think about it. If you got any questions about it, just let me know. I'll try to help you if I can, okay? There'll be links down below for playbetter.com where you can get a hook up to them to go get you a square. And there'll be a link down there to come get one of my covers if you want for $39. So I'd buy it again in a heartbeat. No doubt. I love it. We'll see you on the next one. Remember this. God loves you, so do I, and you can't take it with you. That's right. Can't do it. See y'all next time. Gotta go.